Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I want to welcome you to another segment of the Jermaine Brown Trading Show. Today is Expiration Friday, December the 20th, 2024. Okay, I have some positions that I have to take a look at right now in my Roth IRA. Okay, I have this credit spread that's on. And remember, I on Thursday added the call side to it. So what I'm going to do is close this trade out because right now it's at a 15 delta, and I don't. The risk is now to the upside, but I want to close this trade out and stay. The whole goal is to stay profitable, or at the very least a scratch, which means even. But what you're trying to do is avoid huge losses. So I don't want to have to make no adjustments in this trade, though I could, but I'm going to just simply. Well, let me see something. So it will cost me $54 to buy that back. Let me see. Roll it out. Roll it further down for a net debit of 21 cents, $21. What if I do this? Yeah, $21. Okay. What I'm going to do is do this. So if I submit, I could make that difference up, or just $42. I could make that up. You know what? No, no, Jermaine, don't do it that way. Clear trade. Don't. I could do it that way, but I'm not going to do it that way. What I'm going to do is just close it out. Take the little profit because this is a volatile stock. So I'll buy it back for 62. That I will do. That I will do. I'll just buy back. Let's see. Because what you don't want to do is get into the habit of trying to day trade like an account when you got under 25K and you're doing equities. I don't want to get hit with a PDT, even though I know you got up to three of them, but I'm trying to avoid that. Let's do this. Let's replace. Let's do 33 cents. I'll do that. Oh, it did. It cleared it. Okay. So he got rid of it. So I didn't even get a chance to. Okay. So it went through. It filled at 31 cents. Okay. Or $31. And multiply that by two, it's 62 cents, $62. So I just got to fill out my spreadsheet later. But I did okay in that. Now let me look at my other positions. I'm in a riot trade. Okay, the stock is at 1135. I have the 1350. So I could go ahead and accept assignment in this. However, I'm going to roll this out. I don't want to get assigned just yet. So what I'm going to do is click on this. Then let's go 28 days. Let's see. Actually, you know what? Let's do 35. Let's see if we get for 35. This is what we can do. If I click on this, I'm 35 cents in the hole, 34 cents in the hole. Uh, okay, 28 cents. You know what? Let me deal with this last. Let me deal with this last. Let's see my Bitcoin. Okay, get Bitcoin. I'm definitely going to get assigned on that. So, which is what I want because I want to own the shares. So I'm going to end up owning 100 shares of this stock. So that's fine. So there's no need to adjust this one. However, Riot, I'm going to have to adjust. I don't have to adjust. I could accept assignment on this and just do a covered call. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to accept assignment on both. Just do covered calls. And on Riot, oh, not a Riot, on Bitcoin, I'm going to show you BITO. I'm going to show you how I can protect the downside in case if the stock keeps going further down, how I protect myself on the downside. But in the meantime, mm, okay, so I'm good right now in both of my positions. So I'm going to leave that, and then what I'm going to do is look here in my Thinkorswim, and remember I adjusted my condor to where I put 3 legs in on the call side, and right now everything is good. So let's see where my deltas are at. So I got a 9 delta on the put side, and I got a 4 delta on the call. So I'm really good here with the SPX. Um, I'm going to just let this expire worthless here. I'm not going to close them out. I'm going to just let it expire worthless because I'm good on both sides, and I don't anticipate nothing major happening. that's going to cause me to have to make no adjustments on this. So I'll just let this expire worthless and keep all the premiums that I collected. Okay. I will probably come back on now at about 5 to 10 minutes before the closing just to make certain everything else is fine. I will talk to you later. Again, if you like what you see, subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can just always comment, you know. But thank you very much for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye bye. Good afternoon again. This is the final segment of Jermaine Brown Trading Show for the week of 12/20, expiration Fridays, I like to call it, 12/20/2024. The markets is going to close in about 10 minutes. So what I want to do is put on a trade. Now, I decided to set excitement of my Riot trade. And what I'm going to do, usually I go out about a week, but this time I'm going to go out about 28 days. Well, first of all, let's see where I'm at. So I sold the 1350 strike, put strike, and I also sold the $15 call strike and bought a $20 call strike. Now, really, the $20 call strike is just so because I can't sell a naked call in my traditional account until you have 20, 25K in your account. They won't let me sell naked in my traditional IRA. So I had to just put on a call spread. But nonetheless, I collected the monies. So I collected a total of 71 cents or $71 for this trade. So my cost basis is $12.79. Well, right now you see that the stock is right now at $11.47. So here's how the math works. Give me a second. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. This is what I meant to do. Okay, so I'm currently here in Riot. So I'm going to say current date. I'm going to say, yeah, current date. So it's 12/20/2024. Okay, I don't need the other day current price. It's $11.47. So what I'm going to say here is profit slash loss. So that equals the current price minus the potential cost basis. So I'm $1.32 in the hole. I want to have that in red. So I have to make up that $1.32 that I'm currently in the hole, right? Okay. So then now what I'm going to do is with 6 minutes to go, I'm going to see if I could sell a call 28 days out. I'm going to have to do a call spread. Uh, Okay, because so since I'm a dollar 28 in the hole, a dollar 32 in the hole. Sorry. What I'm going to do is here collect sell the 112, and since I'm going to have to do a call strike, because again I can't sell naked here, I'll just go way out here and give up 3 of those cents. So I'll collect about like 112, 109 after 75 after taxes. I mean, after after commissions and stuff like that. So let me go ahead and sell that. Since I don't have time to waste, I'm going to have to go to the see, get it at 110, 107, 75. Okay. So see here, I got it for 110. So what I now have to do is share here. So I'm going to sell all strike of $12. Okay. Premium collected. I'm going to put after the commissions and fees, so 108, 10, 107, 107 still. Okay. Even though it does say 110, I'm going to put after fees and commissions because that's the more accurate number. So now, so you'll say, okay, Jermaine, but you just, you're still in a lost position. Well, let's see. New cost basis. So that equals the 1279 minus the 107. So I'm now my new cost basis drops down to $11.72. The current price is $11.47. So I'm still right now in a loss position, but not as much of a loss, just a couple of cents. But now I'm obligating to sell my shares at $12. So if I have to sell my shares at $12, I'll make about 30 something cents. And come next week, I plan on selling some more puts to lower that cost basis even further. So let me save this spreadsheet. The market is about to close. The market is about to close in a minute. So this is Riot. So I'll just sell weekly puts to bring down my cost basis even further, but week put spreads actually. So I can bring down my cost basis even further in this while I wait for the stock to rebound. Ah, there goes the bell. So now I'm going to end up owning 100 shares come Monday. This is the paper trading account, and notice how the stock ended up in between the index S&P 500 index here with the red line is all in the green zone. So that means another profitable week. Okay. This is good. This is good. Hmm. Yes. So what I want to do is let me see. Okay, so I don't need to be in this account anymore. The paper trading account. So I'll go back to my real account. So this is the way I maneuver, even when the position's in a losing position. I can still maneuver my way around. Too bad Riot doesn't have dividends. So, but it's okay. B, BITO does, so that'll be fine. But anyway, this is another successful week, or really my first successful week of trading with real dollars, but another successful week of learning how to make money in the markets. Um, so if you like what you see, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, the like button, push on that like button. If you don't, comment, let me know what you're thinking. Anyway, I will talk to you later.